The way you come across to others can have a huge bearing on your ability to influence them. It's an area where you don't normally receive a lot of feedback other than perhaps criticism. So on our personal impact course, our graduate programs and our workshops, you get the chance to receive a lot of honest feedback from our executive coaches and our experts. We also look at lots of different subtleties like body language and eye contact, which all actually have an effect on the way you come across to others and the first impression that they receive. We also provide you with a lot of tools and an opportunity to experiment over and over again, so you can have the choice about the impact that you want to make. It's not about trying to make you into something that you're not, or picking holes or finding your faults. It's more about identifying what works for you, and by making those small changes, you really have the skill set to adapt so you can have the maximum impact.